back to my channel. Yes, I got a Michaels mystery box. I had to go to Michaels this morning because if you guys are not in the rewards program, definitely join the rewards program. I buy a lot of stuff for my Etsy shop, so I'm always getting rewards, and then they have some good bonuses, and then they send you surveys where you get 5 off of 15, and I love those coupons. Well, anyways, I had rewards to use to buy some stuff, and I saw these up by the register. Now, I don't know what this is. I have no idea what this is. They had it like, this is taped up. They have the sides taped up. I couldn't see anything. And I'm like, I'm just going to get one. I'm just going to get one. But these are the Michaels Grab bags, but now they come in boxes. They used to be $5. Now they're $10. I've seen some stores like on Instagram where someone were giving them away because nobody's going to pay $10 for a box. I used to buy a bunch of these all the time. I used to buy a ton of them because you never know what you're going to find, and that's why I love the hunt. But I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's Christmas. I don't know, but I'm like, we're going to buy one. We're just going to buy one. So I did buy one for 10 bucks. So we're just going to dig in and see what I got. I got one a couple months ago where I got some really good back to school stuff, and then I got like some Hello Kitty stuff, and I ended up donating a majority of the stuff to my daughter's school, like her teacher, her preschool teacher. It's St. Patrick's Day stuff. I ended up sending her preschool teacher a bunch of school stuff. I said, you guys can have this. She's like, really? And then I did kept a couple things, like I got some happy birthday signs and some stuff that I'm going to definitely use for birthdays. But this was 10 bucks, and I'm excited to see what is in here. So I'm already seeing a couple things that I like, okay? A couple things that I like. Coloring books. We got adult coloring books. I love this. This is right up my alley. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is the kind of, you know, coloring stuff that I like. I mean, some of it's really good, some of it's not, but it's Valentine's Day coloring books. And it says display until 4/5/24. So they put these out in the box beforehand. So I got that one. Then another Valentine's Day coloring book. So these like must be like their magazines that they have for sale. Another coloring book. Here is a Winter Wonderland coloring book. So, oh yeah, these are, oh, that one's good. Like my mom would love that one. So some of these are really cool. I like this. This is something that I can use to like have my stress go away. But like I said, I had no idea what they had in here, and that's okay. So this is a oil pastel kit. Oh, it comes with the markers, or I don't even know. Oil pastels, but they look like they're in a pen, and then you like color the canvases. So we have mermaids for my daughter and superheroes for my son. So this is something to do on a, it is snowing outside right now, you guys. It is April 2nd and it is snowing out. We got at least almost an inch of snow. But yeah. Okay, I got some cups. These were $4.99. The canvases are, they don't have prices on this. Usually these are like a couple dollars, but I got some plastic cups, perfect for parties or whatever. Here is something. I got a pot of gold. A green pot of gold. I used to take these things apart. I used to take these things apart and made wreaths out of this kind of stuff. But yeah, here we got a nice little Happy St. Pat. Happy St. Pat Day. Happy St. Pat. Okay, got that. There is a lot of ribbon in here. There's pom-poms or something in here. This is stuck on the tape. What is this? Garland. Garland. It looks like pom-poms. Yeah, $5.99. Look at that. That's awesome. Ooh, there's a shirt. We got a t-shirt in a small. It says it's youth, so my daughter could wear this, and it says Lucky. This was $12.99. That's cool. I got a garland of three-leaf clovers. That's kind of cool. And then I have a thing of garland which looks like beads that was $9.99. Okay. I have some mesh. This is a Christmas item for $12.99. I used to make tons of wreaths with this stuff. I do. But yeah. Okay. Then we have some other coiled garland right here for that. I got more pom-poms. More pom-poms. That's cool. I can see my daughter doing that. Ooh. I got some forks. $4.99. I'm sorry, you guys. I hate paper straws. I hate paper straws. Like, I use reusable straws. That's all I use in my house. But I don't like the paper straws because I feel like before your drink's even done with, they are like, it's all gross. But this is cute though. This is cute. This is for $2.99. I have another 2 things of this kind of garland for $2.99. And I think this is all, I think all the boxes that they had was St. Patrick's Day stuff. So I'm not complaining. I'm happy I just got 1 box. We have the aluminum foil or aluminum looking plates. There are 12 plates for $5.99. This I can use all year long. I can use it for a birthday party, anything. Okay, there's a lot of ribbon in here. A lot of ribbon. And I'm kind of excited about that. We have 3 rolls of the 3-leaf clovers, and these were $3.99. I'm seeing 3 rolls of this pretty green, which I can use this all year long, and this is $3.99. I have 2 rolls of this glitter ribbon, which is perfect, and then I have a bigger glitter ribbon. These are all $3.99. I got some green sparkle ribbon, and I have some plaid ribbon, all for $3.99. And then I have another one of the 3-leaf clovers. These look like they're a different color. So they're both the same UPC code, but one is greener than the other. Like, you guys can see the difference. So I think one just maybe faded. I don't know, but I'll take it. I have more canvas. So this is something that I could do for like Charlotte's birthday party. Her birthday's in a month. I could do these as little giveaways for the kids for her party, for her friends. So we got some like cats, more cats, and this looks like it's cardboard actually, mermaids, and then more superheroes. So I know exactly what kids to give those to. I do. There is a couple more items, and then we have those paper, like 3D paper things of the 3-leaf clovers and honeycomb decor, and these were $9.99. That's cool. And then there's one more thing, and I got a flag bunting. So basically what you do is you have your flag, you have your table out, and you can have it look like that. That's cool. This was $14.99. So that was everything that I got in my Michael's mystery box. I think when I was trying to peek at one of the items, I think I saw this in here. So these look like these must have just came out today. I'm pretty excited for it. I don't know if exactly today or this week, but I know they don't sell out as fast as they used to be, because when they were $5, people would line up and buy this stuff like crazy. But now since they're 10, not a lot of people not a lot of people buy this stuff. And I saw one girl was so excited to buy one on TikTok, and she got nothing but pine cones for Christmas. Now the thing is, you'd be able to smell that. If that box was a strong smell, you would be able to know what you got. But I kind of looked through everything that I got, but I'm happy with everything I got. $10 for all of this stuff, and a lot of the ribbons I will definitely be using because I make a lot of stuff with my Etsy shop, and then the pom-poms would be kind of cool for the kids just to play. But yeah, I am happy with everything that I got. I have a use for a lot of that stuff. Some of that stuff I will get rid of, especially like that Happy St. Pat's thing. I don't need Happy St. Pat's. I don't. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys another time when I can find another Michael's mystery grab bag box. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later. Bye-bye.